YouTube, what is up? YouTube, what is up? So today I'm showing you a little passenger driving today. Filling up your gas. I'm gonna show you how much it costs to fill up my tank. So currently, we're off to the gas station right now. I'm finna go to a Sam's, cause I ain't gonna lie, Sam's, they be having some good gas, honestly. And so I'm finna go get gas from them. Got a little drive, so y'all just really here for a ride today. Y'all first little ride along with me. And it's gonna be chill. It's gonna be chill vibes. We're just chilling during the week. You know, nothing crazy. Yeah, if y'all like these type of videos, let me know. And we will definitely see if we get more of them going in the future. Let's see, that's right there. Pushing it like dang. Oh Jesus. Boom. New car alert. I'm joking, let me stop playing. But yeah, so we off to the gas station right now because I don't really like some of the other gas stations. They ain't taxing for real. So we're gonna see how much it takes with some, like, hopefully some discounted prices, because premium gas is not cheap. I will tell you, this is not my first time getting gas for this car. I think this is like my third time. I want to say it's like my third time getting gas for this car, and I've had it for since August. It's October. So gas usually lasts me about like a week and a half, or like a week and a couple days, depending on how much I drive it and where I'm going. As y'all know, Houston has a lot of freeways and highways and stuff, so driving on there takes up a good amount of gas. But today we just chilling. So right now I'm looking at what, 60. I got 62 miles of gas left. I'll show y'all when we get there how much gas we got left once we get there and everything. But yeah, so y'all just here for a ride today. Let me know how y'all feel about it for real. So we just chilling, man. How y'all day going? Day going good? I got a couple packages in the mail I'm waiting on. Can't wait till those get here. What? I just realized there's a lot of white cars out here. And the main colors you see is either white, black, or gray. And it's like all you see. Now granted, I did get a white car, but like that's besides the point. I need me something to drink though. The drink all gone. Hopefully y'all got a good angle. I can't see what y'all got going on right now, but I'm hoping it works. You know what I'm saying? So now we're just chilling, you know. God, dog, all these dang yellow lights. I'm just trying to drive, fam. Got a road trip coming soon, man. First road trip in the Beamer. First road trip in Ghost. It's gonna be a cool time. I'm not looking forward to. Only thing I'm not looking forward to with the road trip is all the bugs and debris that I'll be driving through on the way to my journey, because that is gonna be all over the car when I get there. So I'm definitely gonna have to get the car detailed. We'll see what happens, depending on what it looks like. But we always make sure Ghost is in the most pristine condition possible. Oh, good God, all these dang lights. I should have went a different route. Bow, bow, bow. Thinking like, it's like, dang. traffic something different. And y'all can't say I'm doing nothing wrong, cause I'm not holding the camera or nothing while driving. I put y'all in the passenger seat so y'all can enjoy from the passenger point of view. Now if y'all want a driver's point of view, put that down in the description. I put that down in the comments, and I make that happen. But right now y'all be getting passenger side of me, cause I don't need YouTube think I'm doing nothing crazy. I don't need to do nothing that's TOS. And so we just cooling, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna lie, I don't know why they got an 18-wheeler in the passing lane, so we're gonna go ahead and get that over real fast. There's a lot of, I ain't gonna lie, once you get a certain car, you realize how many of that car is out in the world, you know what I'm saying? Or like you see how many of that car's brand is like out there in your everyday drives. What's that, a Maserati? Everyday drive, you see how much like you actually see that vehicle. Because back when I had my Mazda, before I had that Mazda, I ain't never seen those Mazdas like out on the street. And look, there go another Beamer over there. But you ain't never see that many. I ain't never seen that type of Mazda, or as many of them, or noticed them at least, while I was driving. But once I got the car, bro, it's like all of them stuck out like sore thumbs. It's like, dang, there go one, there go one, there go one. And it's like, bruh, you always end up seeing it. So now I'm just all like, there go Beamer, there go Beamer, there go Beamer. And it's like I noticed them at first, but like now they just stick out. I guess that's what happens when you get a car like that. I don't know. I guess that's what happens every time I get a new car. It's like the car I have, like similar ones or the same one, I see it all the time at that point. Like it never fails. So, and tip, if y'all want good gas, bro, go to Sam's Club. Their gas be lasting a cool minute, and the price ain't never too crazy. Ooh, pothole! Jesus! That pothole almost, boy, that pothole almost took your boy out, man. Ghost's gonna be out of commission, and I got my road trip next week. Can't be going outside like that. No, sir. That thing say D&D. My name is Nas, and we stopping at a light. I can't go left and I can't go right now. Gotta go fast, gotta go slow. Can't go fast because there go the po-po. Bro, these lights be taking forever. That's one thing I don't like about Houston lights. Finally, good God. Y'all want to get away though? Appreciate you. Like, these lights be taking forever, dog. First thing, this lane merges. Buddy boy. That was nice. That felt good. That felt really nice. Like I said, I don't know what y'all can see. The camera could be dead for all I know. As much as it died last video, the camera could be dead for all I know. But hey, I'm enjoying myself. Hopefully it's still recording. I'm praying it's still recording because yeah, we still good. Hey, how you doing? Bro, I was washing the car the other day though, and I think a mosquito or something bit me on the back of my knee. Good God, I've been scratching for like the last, I don't know how many days. Well, not days, but you know what I'm saying. I made a couple stops after this to some places for birthday gifts, what's that stuff called? Birthday gifts and what is this thing called? Christmas. That's what's coming up. I was like, whoa, what's the next holiday? Christmas. Me, I like getting Christmas stuff out the way early. Because once you get it out the way early, it's like, look, I already got everybody gifts. You can check it off. And it's also like, when Black Friday stuff, sales and stuff going on, that's more money in my pockets. And if I want to get something for me, or I want to get somebody something else, then shoot, I could do that. But some people, they be like, you know what I'm saying? Like, they be all wishy-washy. Nice little benzo. Me and Lorenzo rolled in a benzo. See, oh, let me grab y'all. You see them prices, bruh? Only $2.93 for premium. That's great. That's great. Some places you go be like $4-5, and don't even talk about California prices. People be going broke out there for them. But yeah, everybody say hello. How y'all doing? But yeah, so we got to the gas station with 63 miles on the car. POV for real, a POV day. Look at this. What do y'all actually think about this? What do y'all think about this lady looking at me like, anybody trying to record you, ma'am? That's why you're not even in the video. Anybody trying to record you? I'm gonna take little light skin Monte over there. I'm gonna take his pump. Cause I'm pretty sure he just finished too. I knew she was gonna be in a rush though. But I'm gonna let little light skin Monte close up his thing. Oh, he got a Beamer too. That's so tough. If y'all don't see, he had the M340. That's hard. What interior he got? I don't know. He just got a fade though. Don't worry, my fade coming next week. So y'all don't get to see me till afterwards. But boy, hey, he got his is tough though. I ain't gonna lie, he changed the badges on the back. This is hard. I didn't even get out the way though, cause I want to get that gas pump. That's hard though. But we are now here at the pump. So let's take a look at how much this all gonna run us. We're gonna turn the car off right here. We gotta double tap it in order for that to close. Okay, right here. Oh. Jesus. I don't need my phone. As you see, you need a card. I'm not gonna show you that process because it's crazy. I really don't want y'all to see that either, so y'all can look at how much he paid for his gas. He paid $45 for his tank. I do not want to pay with that card. No. But yeah, so we paid $45. So let's see how much I'm gonna have to pay. Because he put 15 gallons in his car, right? So let's see what I'm gonna have to do. There we go. Got the nozzle. Got the 9 degree. Alright, we're gonna do right up and let that go. Alright. Now, as you can see, this is clean. I cleaned it up and everything. Very nice. Now, how much, hypothetically, y'all think that's gonna run us? The other person was, I forgot how much that to do was already. So I'll watch it back, I'll see how much it was. Oh, God. So we're gonna see. We're gonna get as much gas we can in here as possible. This is the tank though. I think he had 15 gallons. We already had, what, $10 for 3 gallons? Right, 3.5? That ain't bad. That's not bad at all. And it was what, $2.98. You really don't get those prices nowhere else, for real, I'm gonna be honest. If y'all can find better gas prices, I ain't gonna lie, let me know in the Houston, it gotta be in the Houston area. If y'all know where it's at, I promise you, let me know. I'm gonna try their gas, because Sam's is a little hike. There's only a couple in Houston, and they all in like the same area, so it's like, if you're not next to it, you're gonna have to drive a little bit to go get it. You have to use your gas to get gas, and then come back and get more gas. It's like a trick in a sense. Let's just see. Gran Coupé. Girls, I'm treating you nice, man. I'm treating girls nice. Can't nobody say nothing for real. Now I'm be honest. I don't know if y'all can see. Now y'all can't see. It's a dude on the pump on the other side of the girl. On this side. On this side. Over there. But he keeps staring at me like I'm recording like that. You wanna go do your thing? Like, don't worry about me. So we had $35 for 11 gallons. We gotta get this done. I got to get this done. Plus some dirt. Dang. Alright, we had $38.67 for 12.93. But we're gonna put a little bit more gas in there because I had only 60-something miles in it. So we're going to stop this right on the I'm tough. I'm too tough. So we're gonna get that out of there because it's around $39. We gotta jiggle it around there a little bit, make sure you get all the gas. Still dribbling. Still have a little dribbles on it, called gas. Still got some dribbles. Alright, we good. I ain't finna wait that long for that. Alright, but so grand total $39 for 13 gallons of gas. That's pretty good. Now we're gonna see how much. Thank you. No problem, guys. No problem. I'm gonna make all that this way. Alright, now no face to. Alright, so this is old dude's car right here. Bro was over there staring at me the entire time. I want him to come around the other side because he's on the other side of the car. Bro was staring at me the entire time. I'm like, my boy, like, what's going on? Let's see, we start her up. Don't worry about them lights go off. Let's see, we had 435 miles of gas. That's pretty darn good. Because depending on the place, I think the first time I got gas, it was like 510. So this time it's 435. I mean, that's not bad at all. And then you just hold this button right here to clear off your trip. I clear off my trip every time just to see how much gas I'm really using, because the numbers might say one thing, but if my thing all the way down here and the light on, that number really don't matter. You know what I'm saying? So look, that's gonna chalk it up for this video for real, unless I find something else I want to do with y'all. But that's gonna chalk it up for this video. Much love to y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for coming along for the little ride, the little journey. Dang, look at that. See, this is why I like Houston, bro. You see cars like this all the time. The GLE. That's nice. I would have chose a different color, but that's a nice car. But yeah, like I said, this is gonna be the end of this video. Much love to all y'all. Thank y'all for coming, man. Peace.
Pop out right now, put my big one on these hoes, damn. I'm not acrobatic, I'm not flipping on my bros, nope. All my shit be factual, I cannot get exposed. Grew up talking shit, I catch a bitch before I catch a cold.